Hello and welcome to Toothless Tesla. This short video is what my dashcam that I installed in my rented Tesla picked up while driving around Canberra. Do drivers take good care of their cars here in Australia? Please share your comments below. As promised, I am busy putting together my road trip videos that I took earlier this month in Australia. So please be sure to like and subscribe and watch out for my upcoming videos. I'll leave you with another incident captured on my dashcam. Thanks for watching and stay safe.